Hello guys, and we're back, and this time we are going to repair this headset. This headset has low battery. This earpiece is worth repairing because it is quite expensive. As you can see from the photo, this is the left side and it has 20% while the other side has 80%. So we will repair it, and we bought a battery from online as usual, and we will start the process by as usual, disassembling the unit. Let's go. And for this job, we will use a heat gun to heat the adhesive from the device and loosen the adhesive. And once we have disassembled the device, we will now go to the microscope to replace the battery. Now that the battery is rebuilt, we will desolder the battery, the old battery, and replace it with the new one. Yes, that is the unit's battery. It's quite simple. It's just like changing your clock's battery, your wall clock's battery. Just like that, the negative to the negative and positive to the positive, just like the clock. On this work, we are using our micro soldering iron for the job. once we are done soldering, the assembly process is on the way, and we will add adhesive to the unit so that we can reassemble the unit.
Guiding us through the dark. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
Let us test if it is charging fine, and as you can see, the light is on. It is charging okay. And after a while, I've been using it, and as you can see, the levels of battery charge is almost equal. Thank you.